What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooker with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all already know what it is. I got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You know I appreciate the love when you come through. If this is the first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest recipe videos, y'all. We get it down here. Let's do it. Alright? So today, y'all, we're doing something different, man. Today, I was out and I had a taste for some tacos, y'all. You know, sometimes I just get in my flow where I got a taste for something and I'm not sure if I want it, and I'm thinking, do I want it, don't I want it? Then I had a taste for some, like, turkey and stuffing, you know, like that Thanksgiving type of flavor flow going on. I was thinking that, and I'm like, damn, what do I want? So you know what, y'all? Freestyle Cooker with Streets, we gonna do the ultimate turkey and sausage tacos, y'all. That's right, turkey and sausage tacos, y'all, with stuffing, and we gonna have a cranberry relish, y'all, spice. You know what I'm saying? You know, we're going to keep it live here. Alright? So, if you never tried it, you seen it here first, we about to get it in. Alright? Let's go. Alright, so the first thing, y'all, you see I got on the board, I got me some turkey cutlets, vacuum sealed up, because what I want to do is, you know, we using some turkey cutlets. I'm using some turkey kielbasa. I'm using some turkey sage. Like I said, it's gonna be the ultimate turkey sausage tacos. Y'all heard it, tacos. Trust me, y'all gonna love this recipe. All right. So I got me the turkey cutlets vacuum sealed up, because what we're gonna do is I'm gonna sous vide these, because I want to get my turkey nice and juicy to the right temp. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna drop them in the sous vide bath for a couple of hours, let them do their thing. Now, with this particular recipe, if you don't want to sous vide, because I'm going to chop my cutlets up in like bite-sized pieces. Normally, when people make something like chicken tacos or something like that, they shred the meat or they shred the protein. So you could do that with the turkey. You could shred it. You know what I'm saying? But you have to cook it a totally different way so you can shred the meat. But this recipe, we're just going to kind of cook our turkey, cut it up, nice bite-sized sizes, and hook it up, y'all. Alright? So, we're going to put this in the sous vide bath for a couple hours. You know what I mean? And keep this thing moving. Let's do it! Okay, now that I got my turkey up in the bath, alright, we're going to go ahead and start the filling for our tacos. So first, I got me some turkey kielbasa up on the board, okay, just like 3 of them. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna cut them in, you know, just bite-sized pieces. Real easy, y'all. That's all I'm gonna do. This is a real easy recipe, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut them in halves again, like that, just like that, y'all. Okay. So you just want to cut them up in bite-sized pieces. Boom. There we go, y'all. Got my kielbasa cut up, and we're just going to go ahead and set that to the side. Alright? Real easy. Okay? And also, after you get done chopping up your kielbasa, you want to have some turkey sage. I got about a ½ pound right here. Okay? Ready to go, ground up. You can get that from your local market, or you can get the crumbles. That'll work. The turkey crumbles. And I also got some stuffing, y'all. Alright, so you want to have all that ready to go. I had already bought some pre-made stuffing from the butcher, just so my recipe go fast. But you can make homemade stuffing. You can buy a box of stovetop, but you want to have some stuffing. Alright, so you got your turkey sage, your stuffing, and your turkey kielbasa ready to go. Alright, okay, y'all. So next, I want to go ahead and start my cranberry relish, y'all. My spicy cranberry relish. Alright, so this is what we're going to need so far. Got an orange and a granny apple, okay? Now, I want the orange peel and everything. I'm going to cut off the ends, though, because I don't want the core orange. Okay? just slice it up like that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and slice it up into small chunks like that. Alright. Now that I got my oranges cut up, go ahead and put them in a bowl. And this is a blood orange I'm using, but you can use any kind of orange you like. Okay. Next, I'm going to do the same thing. Cut the apple up. Same thing. I don't want the core of the apple. Okay. And just cut it up into chunks. Like that, y'all. Alright, so cut your apples up into chunks. Get them up in the bowl. Now that I got my apples and oranges chopped up, set that to the side. Next, I got me some cranberries right here. Boom. It's about an 8-ounce bag. That's all I need. You feel me? I'm going to go ahead and clean these. Get these opened up, cleaned up, put in the bowl. Alright, y'all. So next, got my cranberries clean. Got them in a bowl with my apples and oranges. Got me 2 serrano peppers. I'm going to chop these up, y'all. And I want the seeds. You can de-seed it if you want to, but the seeds is going to add just a little bit of extra spice to it, which is what I want. But trust me, the sweetness of the apples is going to offset the tartness of the cranberries. You know, we're going to add a little bit of sugar. You know, this is going to be great, y'all. Trust me. Alright. Next, got me a shallot. I'm going to cut that on up. Alright. So, you don't have to chop it up real fine, y'all. It's just, you know, nice pieces because it's going up into the blender anyway. Alright. Alright. There we go. So now, put that to the side. Let's get my blender ready. Alright, y'all. Now I got my blender out. Let's go ahead and get everything up in the blender. Okay, I got everything up in the blender. Now I just want to pulse it and just chop it up just a little. We don't want to mix it up or, you know, blend it up real crazy. We just want to go ahead and pulse it. Okay, now that I done pulsed it up a little bit, I want to go ahead and add some lime juice. There we go. Okay. I also want to go ahead and add some salt. Alright. And I'm going to also add some sugar. And this, you know, I added about a teaspoon and a half of salt. And I'm going to add some sugar. And you add, you know, the sugar you add on depending on how sweet you want it. Okay? Let's go ahead and pulse it some more. Alright, y'all, there we go. We're done. I pulsed it up real nice. There we go, y'all. Look at that. There we go, y'all. We got our cranberry relish. Okay. Like I said, you want it just like that. That kind of texture. You don't want it all mushy, like smooth, like a puree or a blend. So let's get this up into the bowl. Look at that, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Cranberry relish. And it's nice and spicy. And if you don't want it spicy, you know, you can just leave out the serrano peppers. But with the sweetness, with the apples and the sugar, it's perfect, y'all. And you can use this on top of roast beef, turkey, like, yo, it's just a good relish. Alright? Alright, y'all. Now that I got my cranberry relish on chill, as you can see, I got my turkey cutlets up out the water bath, ready to go. So let's go ahead and cut them on open, y'all. Get these things padded dry. Alright. Now once you got them out the vacuum sealed bag, you just want to pat them dry real good. And as you can see, you know, we got them nicely. I mean, they look ugly, but they are perfectly cooked, y'all. How we want our turkey to be. Alright, now once you got these patted dry, you just want to go ahead and chop them up into small pieces. See, and look at that, y'all. Yeah, turkey is nice, done. And you just want to chop it up in small pieces like so. Alright, so go ahead, take your cutlets and chop them down into small bite-sized pieces. Alright, got my turkey cut up. I threw it in the bowl with my kielbasa. Now we're getting ready to break my pan out. Let's do it! Okay, got my pan nice and hot, ready to go, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, I'm using some peanut oil or high heat point oil, which I always like to use. You know, I love using the oil that can handle the heat, you know, but you could use canola oil, vegetable oil if you got it, okay? We're gonna have it on a medium high. Okay, so the first thing I want to get up in the pan is, I done cut me up some celery and carrots. Alright. Go ahead and stir this around for about 2 minutes. Alright. Next, I want to go ahead and add, got some red onions cut up right here. Yeah, there we go, y'all. Stir this in for about another minute. Alright, next I want to add in my turkey sage. I want to continue to stir this till it starts to turn color. Alright? What you want to do. Alright, so now that I have browned my sage, okay, now I want to go ahead and get my turkey and kielbasa in, y'all. Alright, I'm going to add some salt. Go. Just about 1.5 teaspoons. Teaspoon of pepper, not too much. Alright. Let's get this all mixed up and incorporated in. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and stir this up, get it in, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Alright, and at this time you want to heat your oven to 375. Alright, heat your oven to 375 and get a baking dish ready. Alright. Okay, y'all, now that I got it heated through, mixed thoroughly, I turn my heat off, and now I want to go ahead and get my stuffing in there, y'all. Okay. Get my stuffing in, and we want to mix that up real good. Alright, fold it in there real good. Okay, once we got the stuffing folded in real nice, ready to go, now we want to go ahead and transfer it over to my baking pan. Here we go, y'all. Alright, got my filling ready to go. The stuffing, the turkey kielbasa, the turkey sage, the turkey cutlets. It's just got that Thanksgiving-y feel right now, because you could just smell the flavors and the turkey and the stuffing together. So good, so good. Alright, now that I got it up in my pre-baked baking pan, we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes on 375. Let's do it. Here we go, y'all. Got our filling up out the oven, ready to go. You see that nice color on it. Stuffing's cooked through. Got a nice little crust, brown crust going on. Ready to build our tacos, y'all. Let's do it. All right, y'all. Let's get our tacos put together. All right, I got me a soft tortilla, and I also got me a hard taco, y'all, because some people like hard, some people like soft, so I'm gonna make one of each. You know, I prefer the hard. So, and I'm using the stand-up tacos. You get them out your market, you know, or you can just use a regular taco, hard taco. I just like the stand-up tacos because you can kind of stuff it, have it real nice, and without it falling and all that. All right, so let's get it built up. All right, so we want to go ahead and put our filling right on there. Oh yeah, y'all, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Also, y'all, I done heated my tortillas up, so I mean, I heated my hard taco up, and I heated my soft taco up. You know, just in the microwave for like 30 seconds. Feel me? All right, got some cabbage here. You could use lettuce, but cabbage will give it that real nice crunch with that kind of like, you know, when you having that kind of turkey and stuffing dinner, you know, where you got some cabbage on the side. That's why I'm using the cabbage. There we go. All right, now let's add some cheese. There we go. There we go. Now I want to add my cranberry relish. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Oh yeah, get that relish up on there. Boom, and there we go, y'all. Finished product. Okay, my ultimate turkey and sausage tacos, y'all. Definitely got to try this recipe, y'all. You feel me? I got the spicy cranberry relish going on. We got the cabbage, shredded cabbage to give that crunch. Our filling, we got that turkey kielbasa, the turkey cutlets, the turkey sage. We got some cheese. This is what y'all can do, y'all. You know what I mean? And you ready to go win, man. You know what I'm saying? Definitely try this recipe, y'all. And you know, you can also use, you know, I prefer like the cranberry relish compared to regular salsa, just because you know with turkey and stuff and cranberry always go. But you know, you could use some salsa on top of this too. Trust me. You know what I mean? All right. Also, you could also use some gravy. You know, if you want that, you like your turkey and stuffing with gravy flow going on. Do your thing, man. Freestyle cooking with streets. This is how we get it done, man. But this is my recipe. My ultimate turkey and sausage tacos. Try this, y'all. You feel me? Alright? So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the latest videos. Comment, holla at me, man. Let me know if y'all tried it. Let me know what y'all think. You feel me? And you already know what's about to go down, man. I'm about to go in on this. Holla.